Alright, Dad, here you go. This is our Roomba, and it's going to clean. I don't know why it's not moving. Well, that's new. Oh, there we go, there we go. I guess it's just thinking. That's, Scooter, honey. Ow, down. So it's actually kind of cool. I guess what it does is it scoots around and it figures out the size of the room and the things that are in the room. And then it goes back and forth and cleans everything. And if you watch it, it'll, when it finds dirt, a little blue light comes on, it says dirt detect, and it scoots around in circles until it's gone. And then it can detect when the wall is and it'll slow down. It's actually pretty kick-ass. And it'll go around the house for about 45 minutes or so until its batteries start running low, and then it'll find the dock and it'll go home and start charging itself. And you can get a thing to have it schedule itself, and it is actually pretty kick-ass. So, huzzah! And it'll go over rugs and carpet, and it'll go over all those cords. It'll clean above those cords and under those cords. And what else does it do? It's pretty cool. But I think it thinks it's cleaned up this area enough, so it'll probably go out here now. But tell it to dock, go home. Dock. So then we'll scoot around, clean up a little bit more, and then it'll go home in a minute. So this is our Roomba. We have named him Scooter. Thank you. He does a really good job with the edges. And I guess if you have stairs, they can sense when where the stairs are, so they don't go down the stairs and they'll turn and go somewhere else. So it's actually kind of cool, and he seriously does a hell of a good job with the edges. So that, my friend, is Scooter. Say goodbye to Scooter. Oh, maybe we'll say hi. Whatever.